The economy is weak, and that's why smart investors are getting aggressive. Right now, every headline is screaming that the economy is weakening. Job growth is slowing. Consumer spending is softening. Markets are nervous. And everyone is asking the same question. Should I stop investing? Should I wait? Should I sit on cash? Let me say this clearly. This is exactly when long-term wealth is built. When the economy is booming, everyone feels brave. Prices are high, competition is insane, and mistakes get hidden. But when things slow down, that is when real opportunities appear. The first thing that happens in a weakened economy is the Federal Reserve starts cutting interest rates. Lower rates mean cheaper money. Cheaper money means better cash flow. Better cash flow means more deals. Makes sense. Even if home prices do not fall, your payment does. That alone can turn a bad deal into a good one. Second, competition disappears. In strong markets, everyone is buying. In weak markets, everyone gets scared. They pause. They wait. They freeze. And that leaves you with less competition, more negotiating power, more time for due diligence, and more sellers who will actually listen to offers. That is where the money is made. Third, prices soften. Not always crashes, sometimes just flat, sometimes slow growth, but even slowing appreciation is a gift to buyers because you get in cheaper. And when rates drop later, you refinance and win twice. Everyone wishes they could buy it like it was a recession. Nobody wants to feel like they are in one. That fear is the price of admission. Fourth, new construction slows. Builders stop pulling permits, projects get shelved, but housing demand never disappears. It just gets deferred. And when supply slows now, it creates shortages later, which means the properties you buy today will be more valuable tomorrow. Now let's talk about recession-resistant real estate. Not everything holds up. Luxury gets crushed, but workforce housing does just fine. B-class apartments, affordable rentals, mobile home parks, especially parks where tenants own their home. If someone has to choose between paying $500 on a lot rent or $5,000 to move their home, they pay to a lot. Those communities become more stable in downturns, not less. Some properties get even stronger. Multifamily with tax abatements and affordable units become more valuable. When the economy weakens, demand for affordable housing rises and income stays steady. That is how smart investors sleep at night. Now, most important part of all, don't try to time the market. Everyone thinks they will buy at the bottom. Almost nobody does, because when the bottom arrives, it feels terrifying. That is when you need a system, not a crystal ball. Invest small, invest often, diversify across deals and cities. That is how you win. Markets will always move. Fear will always show up. But wealth is built by people who keep going when others stop. If you want to know what type of deals perform best in a soft economy, hit that like and subscribe button and comment what kind of investor you are. This is when the next generation of real estate wealth is created.